Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Do a video walkthrough on this 2020 Sea Ray SPX 190. This is the outboard version of the boat. As you can see, it's got sea deck on the back and then power pole, upgraded motor to 150 horsepower Mercury, hydraulic steering. Most of these boats come with a 115, so that upgraded horsepower is a really nice feature. Sea deck comes throughout. Got the woven vinyl flooring, light gray interior. Guys, this is a really sharp, really clean looking boat. Give you a shot of the interior. Kind of a quick walkthrough, and then I'll come back and point out some of the features in this 19 SPX. Engine on, 347.6 hours. Upholstery is in great shape. I don't see any kinds of stains, rips, tears, nicks, anything. It is really nice. Bimini top is in good shape. Boat does have the bow and cockpit cover as well. Stepping back, you've got large index storage. You know, a lot of people will throw wakeboards in here, any kind of water sports toys. Current owners are keeping anchors in here, but you can put your dock poles, fenders. It's deep, plenty of room for storing anything there. For a 19-foot boat, guys, this boat has a ton of storage. There's this compartment port. He's got his fenders. He's got a crate in there. Plenty of storage. Rated at 10-person seating capacity. Storage over here. He's got a couple dry boxes and stuff. Spinning around. Again, upholstery's in good shape. Flip up bolster so you can stand and drive or sit down. Throttle, lanyard. It's got the Simrad display. You can see it's got all your engine gauges pulled up there. It also has a chart plotter. Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. Bolster seat on the companion as well, as this is a ice box. Extra storage, you can plug it, ice it. Storage over here, and then this opens up. Check this out. Got plenty of room for beach chairs. You got 8 life jackets stored in here. Just a ton of storage for a 19-foot boat. I can't think of a boat that gives you this kind of room. Underneath this hatch is 2 batteries. Standards 1. This boat has 2 batteries with the selector switch, so never have to worry about being short on power on your day on the water. Guys, this is a really nice boat. Give me a call at 910-264-4818 if you have any questions. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video on this 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard with 150 horsepower Mercury. Talk to you soon. Thanks.